Hello YouTubers, I'm back with my 97 F150 and trying to take the bed off the truck. So let me show here what I've done. I've had a hell of a time with this thing because it's all rusty underneath. So the first thing I did was I went underneath and sprayed it with penetrating oil right around the bolt. And what I did was I tried to go above the bolt because you have to get in between for the penetrating oil to work. And then of course it's got this rhino lining, and what I did was I used paint stripper. I put a couple of coats on there, one coat, and then removed part of it, and then I did another coat, and then it came off. But still, I had a hell of a time. These things would not budge. So I sprayed it with penetrating oil again underneath, and I came up on top. And the first one I tried to take off, it actually stripped. So I'm gonna have to cut that one out. So what I've done here is I've noticed that if I take all around the washer here, all the liner, because it's, you know, it's a good, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch maybe thick, maybe more. So that just adds pressure to that bolt, because if you actually take that liner off, it will spin. I've gotten all the other ones to spin once I took that liner off. And what happens is the washer will spin. So that breaks it loose. I hope that helps somebody. Also, just a note, I found out that there is this is a T50 Torx. I found out that there's a T50 Plus, which is just slightly bigger than a T50, and it'll fit more snug, I guess, on that bolt, and you should have less of a hard time, because the regular T50, if you put that on there, it's got a little bit of a play. So with the T50 Plus, you should have a easier time. But penetrating oil on the bottom, and then what I did is I came up here and I just sprayed that. This is all penetrating oil here. I sprayed the hell out of this on the top. I use PB Blaster, and then the stripper that I used is that one. Do a coat, take it off, do another coat, and it will come up pretty easy. It melts this stuff, so that worked for me. I hope that helps somebody out. Oh, also, to take the liner around, I just used a chisel. It just makes it easier. You know, I tried using just like a screwdriver and stuff, and the chisel just makes it easier. So I might do an update after. Later.